Hey everybody, it's Mark and Lisa from the Yoho. So what are we doing this weekend?
Okay, so we kind of have to get the outside figured out. It's kind of a mess out there. It's been raining for the past little while, so now that the weather's finally getting maybe hopes of being nice, we're gonna get out there and just kind of tidy up.
Yeah, we got some new light fixtures for the outside. So there's 3 on the front of the house and 1 on the back. So we'll be switching those out. We've also noticed that a lot of the caulking around some of the outside of the windows is in pretty bad state of repair.
Oh yeah, it's gross. It's kind of like we don't get a whole lot of sun in our back by the deck here by the house, so it tends to get like a little moldy and gross. So let's hope that the rain clears up and we can get out there and get to it this weekend. Yeah, that's it.
All right, let's go.
It seriously has been raining for so long. Nice and green. I just want to get out there. Well, you know what? I'm going to go work on the front porch because it's totally covered and I'm kind of excited about it. Yeah, here's what our porch looks like now. Just gonna put them in here. I don't think they're gonna last very long in here if I don't.
All right, time for the new one. There it goes.
Oh wow, that looks great.
Pretty not too bad.
Aw. Little bugger.
Stop it.
Ooh, see how bad this is? This is what I mean with all the mold here. So actually it's not that bad. Just a little elbow grease is kind of picky, but we did it. I know we'll thank ourselves in the winter when it's a heck of a lot warmer inside. It was really drafty by that back window. It's like brand new now, hey?
It's
wow.
looking like it, yeah.
That looks so good. Why didn't we do this like a year ago or 2 years ago? I think it's one of those jobs until you catch it on the right temperature, like in another 2 weeks from now, I think it might be too warm to do it. Another month maybe. Having fun?
Always having fun. Last one to go on.
Sure, a few of you will notice where this bar is from. Well, part of it anyways.
It's the dressed down bar version.
Yeah.